Oh, baby, you've not answered my question.
Did you ask me any question? I can't remember. Tell me, what is it?
I asked, what is it that your brother will do that your wife and your children cannot intervene?
Like I said, it depends. Not everything would you allow your wife or someone else to intervene. There are things that are trashed out personally. These things happen. One can actually push you to the wall or make you do things that you never imagined that you could do.
Uche,
Yes, babe.
are you this wicked? No, are you beginning to show me who you really are?
What have I said? I'm trying to explain to
Trying
you.
to explain what? No, let me ask you a question. If we get married tomorrow and you have a problem with your brother, so I cannot intervene.
Maybe not everything I would want you to intervene. There are things that you could just stay aside and let me trash it out with my brother. It doesn't mean that we can.
I see.
Babe, look, um, babe, babe, hold on,
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.